In the last year, match betting has become a very popular way to make money without risk, using bonuses given by the sportsbooks. By dedicating a few minutes each day, people are able to make hundreds of dollars each month. That's why in this video, I want to talk about this method of betting and explain how you can take advantage of it and make money without risk. Hi, my name is Felix Riva, and after 6 years in the sports betting world, I decided to create this channel to share my knowledge and help you make money in the long term. So if you're interested in doing that, subscribe and activate the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Before I explain how match betting works, it's important that you know that match betting is not based on making traditional bets, where you bet and win or lose based on the outcome of a game or a match. Instead, it's a way to take advantage of promotions offered by the sportsbooks, covering all possible outcomes of a bet to ensure earnings no matter what. Match betting can only be done with promotions, and it requires an accurate knowledge of the amounts to bet on each option to ensure you will make money. While it is possible to do match betting on your own, it would take you a lot of time and could lead to many mistakes. Fortunately, there are different platforms that guide us step by step through everything we need to do for each promotion, allowing us to take advantage of this method. These platforms usually have a very low price compared to the money you can make at the end of the month, and many of them offer a free trial period that, if used right, can save you a lot of money. I have primarily used two platforms. From the United States, I would recommend you to use OddsJam, and from the UK, OddsMonkey. And if you're in another country, there are other options. I will leave links in the description below. Now I live in the United States, and with OddsJam, I could use all their free bets during their 7-day free trial. After the trial, it's $39 a month at the time of me recording this video. Now let's dive into the subject and see how match betting works with an example. Depending on the promotion you choose to use, there will be different steps to complete, and the number of steps might vary. However, all of these will be explained in the platforms I mentioned earlier, providing a detailed step-by-step guide. So don't worry about the details for now. In this example, we'll explore the step-by-step process for one of the simplest promotions available. In this type of promotion, we need to analyze the 3 simple steps to achieve the objective of making money without taking any risk. The first step is to activate the promotion by clicking on Sign Up or using a provided code. The second step is to fulfill the conditions of the promotion. They're usually depositing a certain amount or betting a certain amount. And finally, the third step involves using the reward, which is typically a free bet. And I will show you how to do that in this video with a real-time example. Let me briefly explain what a free bet is. It's a bet of a certain amount of money that a bookmaker gives you, but you can only use that money for betting and you cannot withdraw it. Once you use the free bet and win a bet, only the profit becomes withdrawable money. For example, if you have a $10 free bet with odds of 1.5 and you win, you'll make $5. You will make $15 because the remaining $10 are part of the free bet and they're not withdrawable. Now let's look at how one of these promotions could work. For this video, I signed up to 2 new sportsbooks to show you how it's done. For one sportsbook, I had to bet $10 to be able to get a $25 free bet. And for another sportsbook, I had to bet $50 to get $111 free bet. Even if you lose those bets, it's still worth doing it. But what I did and would do in this case, especially for the $50 bet, is to bet for an outcome that is very likely to happen. When you're starting, $50 can be a big part of your bankroll, so it's not worth risking losing them. So even if you make just $1 by risking your $50, it's still worth it, because you will get over $100 in free bets. And in this situation, this is your main goal. So after you have signed up and deposited or bet the required amount, you have successfully activated the promotion. Although it's important to note that the process might vary depending on the bookie. After you have done this, you will see the reward in your account and you're ready to use it. To make the most efficient use of the free bet and to make the maximum possible amount without risk, we need to place 2 opposite bets in 2 different bookmakers. For example, we can bet in bookie number 1 in favor of home team to win and bet in bookie number 2 for the visiting team to win. This way, we will always win one option. The first bet is placed with the agency that gave us the promotion and where we have the free bet, while the other bet is placed with our own money. I know this might be confusing, and that is why now I will share my screen and show you how I make money using free bets and how you can do it too. By the way, if you want to have access to the best tennis betting predictions, join my free predictions channel on Telegram. It's free and highly active, so I'm confident it will help you grow your bankroll. Click in the link in the description below and I'll see you there. All right, now we're here on the computer. I'll show you how to use the free bet here on OddsJam, oddsjam.com. I'm already logged in. If not, remember there's the 7-day free trial. If not, it's $39 a month. as of right now. Go to Sportsbook, free bet converter. Here we have all the free bets. These are with all the sports books, but now I have a free bet on BetParks. BetParks here. Okay, and then here you see the conversion, well, the percentage that when is the event. So it's today at 1. I still have time because now it's earlier in the morning. I could bet BetParks and the other is Hard Rock. So this one I would not be able to do it because I don't have an account with Hard Rock. But remember, OddsJam is for the United States. For other countries, I will leave links in the description. BetParks and Bet365, I could do this one. It's an MLB, player home runs, Adam Duvall over 0.5, Adam Duvall under. So this is where you bet here and here. And just to show you how it would be, you click on this calculator here. And the total I have is $111. So the other bet would be $500. I would have to bet $500 on the other side. I don't have $500 on the other side right now, but so on Bet365 I could bet 100 and then $111 on BetParks, and I would make money. Actually, if we go back here, I would make $83, no matter what. Okay, and here it tells you, how much you need to bet to be able to make that profit regardless. That's important because if you bet $100 on one side and $100 on the other, you won't make a profit always. So this way, that's why here I really like it here because it tells you the events that are happening that you can use the free bets, and it tells you when they're happening, and it tells you the exact amount you need to bet. Actually, let's see if there's something down here. This one's happening Friday, tomorrow at 4 a.m. So there's Saturday, I'd rather be a little sooner so I can share results. Okay, this one's today at 8:44. BetParks, BetMGM. I'd rather be another sports book. Looking for some, here on FanDuel, I have more money there right now. So let's see this one. Nicholas, game spread, plus 4.5, minus 4.5. Okay, so let's see on this one. Maybe I'll do less money so that I can make sure. I might do it on 3 bets of $30 some or 30, 35, maybe 119. Let's do 30 to make it easier. And on the other one, 102. So 30 and 102, that would be the bet. I would bet $30 on BetParks with a free bet and 102 on FanDuel. And I'll leave this one up here to remember. I like to bet on tennis. Some of you already know. So yeah, this will be the bet here. Now let's go on my phone, and because I do most of the bets on my phone, and I'll show you how to do that there. All right, so now we're on my phone. I'll go on BetParks. That's where we have the free bet. I do all my bets on my phone. It also, it's easy because when you're away and, you can do them from pretty much anywhere, and I have my access. I can do it through I use my fingerprint for security reasons. I like that too. So we have the verification code we got. I have the double verification, most of them as well. Okay, BetParks. Let's check my location, make sure where I am I can. All right. Now, by the way, I made a mistake, and the $111 is another sports book. Here I have $25 free bet. Let's make sure. How can I move this? Oh yeah, okay. My bonuses, $25 expires June 26. 111. It's because I made 2 accounts into different new places. I forget what's the name of the other one. Well, but I might do it there too and show it on the video so you guys know. But basically it's $25, so I had to recalculate how much would that be. But anyways, here then we go to home, and we have for Zverev. Yeah, that's Zverev. Alexander Zverev. Look for more wagers, and on here I have to bet. It will have to be $85 on the other side. It's $25 here and $85 on the other side. So total game spread, Zverev minus. So here game spread, Zverev minus. So in the free play is going to be minus 4.5. So that will be it. And I'll have to use my bonus here, just by tapping on the welcome offer bonus here. But before I do that, I want to make sure on FanDuel, whether Betfred is where I have the $111. Okay, now once I'm on FanDuel I like because you can search here. For tennis is not the best, they don't have the best odds, but user friendly, it's very good. With Jari, that's the game. And here we have to put on Nicolas Jarry plus 4.5. So it's the game spread. Total games, there it is. Now Nicolas Jarry, 4. Okay. I would have to bet $85. To win $17. Okay, now we do the welcome offer. We bet here, place the bet. Okay, your bet has been placed. Now we're going back here to the 120, 85 to win 17. So you would make $17 like Odd Jam said. And there it is. The bet is placed on both sides, so we're gonna make $17 no matter what. Okay, that's with $25 free bet, but in many sportsbooks you get $200, $100 like you saw in BetParks. Sorry, BetParks is $25, but Betfred is over $100. So yeah, now we put the bet here, and now we just need to wait until tomorrow, and then we'll have $17 more. If this video is providing value to you, hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me out a lot. If you look at the examples I just shared, it might seem like not that much money to make. But if you use all the initial promotions from all the bookmakers possible, you can make around $600. I think that is the best way to start your sports betting journey, because there is a 0% chance of losing, and it helps grow your bankroll fast, which at the beginning, only with betting, it's hard to do. If you find match betting to be initially complicated, don't worry, as it's completely normal. Many people, including myself and those I have recommended this method to, have experienced some difficulty understanding it at first. However, with persistence and practice, you will see that it becomes easier to do. You can also watch this video multiple times and comment below if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer them. If you want to continue growing and managing your bankroll the right way, watch the video you see on the screen. It will help you continue growing your bankroll after you have used all the free bets.